Hello, this is Brian from Geopath, and today we'll be talking about using the threshold filters in the Explore module. In the Filter Inventory tab, you'll find the Thresholds filter. The threshold filters are a quick and easy way to set some minimum or maximum values for your inventory. In this example, I'm looking at inventory and an audience base of the Seattle DMA, and my target audience is those who have bought athletic shoes in the last 12 months. Let's say I wanted to see inventory that had at least 40,000 weekly target impressions against this audience. This filtered out quite a bit of inventory, from about 36,000 spots to under 1,000. Let's say I wanted to start over. Let's say instead I wanted to look for inventory that over-indexed for reaching this target audience. An index of 100 represents the average in the market, so if I were to set my index minimum to 101 and then hit apply, I would then be shown only the inventory that was above average at reaching this audience target. Let's use a slightly different example. Instead of the athletic shoe audience, let's say I was looking at persons 21 plus as my target audience. Say in this example, at least 75% of my in-market target impressions need to come from my target audience of persons 21 plus. I can use this slider here to set 75 and then hit apply. Here I'm being shown inventory whose target audience in-market composition is at least 75 or above.